Hello viewers, welcome to the Emo Trends Potter. Today the concept is maternity dress haul. So all the kurtis are very good material and it is very useful in your maternity period. After the pregnancy also it is very useful because it has a feeding zip. So all are personally I suggest it is very nice cloth and all the kurtis are under 400. Let's see the dresses, kurtis. First dress is yellow color dress, yellow color kurti. It is a front side. Nice kurti with flower prints. 3/4 sleeves. For the maternity convenience, they give a pleats in front and back also. Pleats they have given. Closed neck. Nice soft cloth, soft material. You can see the print. Both the sides you have a feeding zip. Nice zips. In and I don't have any lining and stitches also fine. Inside they have overlocked. Overall the kurti is nice, best quality kurti under 400 rupees. Our second dress is navy blue kurti. It is a long dress. I have ordered a 4XL size. All over you have a print design. Back side, long sleeve, lengthy dress, nice print. Bottom you have a border. Both side feeding zips are available. Nice zips. Inners are perfectly overlocked. Nice color, low range kurti. Another kurti is a lovely pista green color kurti. Beautiful print on it. All over you have a print. This is back side. Long flare kurti. Three by 4 sleeves again. Super cloth kurti. It also has a feeding zip both sides and pleats also. Nice material, non-transparent material. More comfortable for your maternity because of its pleats. Back side also you have. Nice cloth, perfect, super cloth. This is 3 by 4 sleeves. Both tight feeding zips. Now the next kurti is a normal kurti. You can use it enough maternity time. I have ordered a XXL size. It is very long, so more comfortable dress. Nice print all over. You have a nice print. Lengthy kurti, 3 by 4 sleeves. More flare it has also. Nice borders on both sides. This one also perfectly stitched and overlock and no any inners, but it is non-transparent kurti. It is around 290 I bought. Really nice kurti under this price. Nice print, low range, long kurti. Try this also on your maternity. Lovely kurti, maroon kurti. All over nice print, more comfortable. So I already showed you this saree. It is priced under 200. I bought it. It's a lovely georgette saree, nice soft cloth. I'll show you the full saree now. Nice combination, pink with black. And pallu, it is broader. Then you have a blouse piece, black and white. Nice lovely saree, and it is best for the daily wear. Nice soft cloth. Colorful and looking superb saree. All these dresses under budget. I hope you enjoy these videos. So show it in your comment section, and do like my video and share it to all your friends and family. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.